I'm Junha, and this is my 15112 term project. It's called The World's Hardest Game, and a little background about it is that it was originally inspired by this game called The World's Hardest Game in Addicting Games. Well, as you can see, I have a level select here where you can choose the specific level you want to go to. Like, let's say you want to go to level 1, and there's also a menu you can go back. Well, a brief background about this game: you are like this blue square, and you have to collect all the yellow circles and get to the end point, which is the other green rectangle. And there are these red enemies that you have to avoid, and if you hit it, if you happen to hit one, then you will end up back in your original location. And I can show you some basic functionality of my game. Like, if you want, you can edit the level. As you can see, I'm clicking the board and it's creating a wall, but you can't block the enemies with it since they can go through it. It's just that you can't get through it. It's just sort of like if you want to edit the level to make it harder. And you can also remove it by clicking the walls. And you can also get money by clicking M, and with money you can pause the game and enter the store. The instructions are below, but like the instructions tell you which upgrades do what. Like it says over here that upgrade 1 makes the player momentarily invincible, and upgrade 2 temporarily freezes the enemy. Like, I'll show you, like, once you buy the upgrade, it doesn't automatically activate, but you also have to press the specific key. Like, to activate upgrade 2, it says in the instructions you have to click F. So if I click F, the enemies momentarily freeze, and then they suddenly start going. And I'll also show you upgrade 1. So upgrade 1, to activate it, you have to click on the player, and then you'll become momentarily purple, and you can get through. You can see you won't die by the enemies, but see right here, you die by the enemies and go back to the starting point. And I'll show you how you can't get through the walls, but see the enemies can. And you can also restart the level by clicking R, and the food will randomly spawn again. Level 4, you can also restart level. These black balls you can't go through them, and you can't remove them. Like, as you can remove the walls that you create, but you can't remove these walls. And yeah, I guess I can show you a basic level, like level 1. And at the end of the game, it shows you win kind of canvas, and like yeah, but I can show you that after I win. But yeah, well, it seems like I might be running out of time. Basically, you get from level 1, each level has different kinds of monsters, and you can see that each level is unique in its own way. Yeah, and that's the game.